My name is Authentic Mama. I'm a distributor from Abuja. In case if you're watching me for the first time, congratulations. I would like to give out my number in case if you want to communicate with me one-on-one. Alright, my WhatsApp line is 08132450149. Then my normal phone number is 08020500664. Okay, our topic today is very important. It's more enjoyable and fun. That topic is how to make sex more enjoyable. And this topic is only for married people or married couple. Now, as a man, let me push it to men. As a man, how do you make sex more enjoyable to your wife? Because let me tell you, once your wife is happy, forget, your family will be in order. How do you make your wife happy? Or once you hear your wife say she's not enjoying you as a man, you start looking outside. If your wife is not enjoying you, you got to do something that will make her to enjoy you, not to look outside. How? There are some women that normally have issue with low libido. Not only men that have issue with low libido. Some women, they do have issue with low libido. If you want to touch your wife, she say, honey, please, I am tired. Instead of you looking outside there, why not you go look for something that will make her to enjoy you as a man? So that your family will be in order at all times, because your happiness is determined by the way you make your wife happy. If you really want to be happy, your wife must be happy first before your happiness will stand. Now, how do you have sex with your wife? Maybe you know some women, when you want to have sex with them, one thing that normally makes men to run away from their wife, one, that vagina smells. When the vagina smells, don't need to leave her aside. You got to take her to a person that will take care of that particular problem, because majority of them is caused by what? Infection. Are you getting it? Now, when your wife has infection, you got to take her to the doctor so that they will take care of her. Once the infection goes, the vagina, all this bad odor and abnormal discharge will stop. Now, in terms of women, there are some that normally have low libido, like I said before. That's not the end of it. And some people used to think that once they stop giving birth, that's the end of sex. No! That is where sex is more enjoyable. You got to know more about sex. Sex is very fun, and it keeps your family more happy and keep growing. So even people outside there will be jealous of you. What is happening? Why is it that you are not bothered? Why is it that you're always happy? It's because of that sex. Because once your wife is enjoying you, you enjoy your wife. Forget about all these otepus outside there. As a man, you come back from work. Maybe before you know it, Adam and Lizard, they stand up. Your wife baby. What are you going to do? It's not to call her. You will call your wife. Before you know it, she will go and change her clothes and wear her Indomie clothes. When she wears the Indomie clothes, Adam and Lizard don't start to. Before you know it now, everybody will start dancing their own way. And you'll be hearing different tongues. She'll be speaking in tongues. Imagine when you're having sex with your wife, she's speaking in tongues. Oh my God. Hi. That is the best thing that can ever happen to you as a man. And you can't even look outside when your wife is enjoying you as a man. There's no way. Imagine now your wife will be telling you, oh my God, honey, I'm enjoying it. You're the best husband. Oh my God, you'll be hearing different kind of speaking in tongues. And you will hear she will be giving you monkey style and fowl style. You get some man when they say they know they laugh. But because of that feeling that your wife is having for you, oh my God, the Adam and Lizard will stand like say to go on holiday. And the wife will be happy. You too will be happy. And when we come to men, some men don't last sometimes because of what the kind of food they eat. As a man, don't just go and get your happiness outside there, because your happiness lies on your wife. Sometimes you may come back, your wife make you angry. You don't need to go outside there to go and look for someone that will make you happy. You got to come back. Call her. Baby, what's up? What was the problem? What did I do? After she explained for you, what you need to do, you got to settle it. And she will end up by giving you what? The sex. You as a man, you will be satisfied. Even though another woman, no matter that the kind of buttocks the woman has, you can never look outside when your wife is at home. Now, in terms of man, maybe sometimes why the wife look outside, maybe they touch the husband, maybe the man, because of before she used to have a vaginal discharge, or he doesn't last. That's why some women look outside. But as a man, you got have to mind the kind of food you eat, you consume in daily basis. Maybe you just want to drive happiness. Once you come back from work, you drop your bag. Next thing you go to garden. And as you're sitting there, you are spending a lot of money. Before you know it, one useless girl will come and sit down there with her boy short. Before you know it, you start spending money on that girl. Why spending money on that girl when your wife is at home? Because if you are spending money on that girl, she's not adding value to you. She's wasting your money. But if you are spending it on your wife, she's investing the money. Are you getting what I'm saying? Now, as a man, your happiness lies on your wife. If you discover that you're not performing very well, one, what the kind of food you eat? Because there's some of you as a man, when you come back, you will see one man, you know, you don't the age, you don't reach 40 years. Only maybe you may sit in that garden, another woman will come and sit with him. In front of the table there, he has more than 4 bottles of beer. He has more than 3 plates of nkwobi. But they forgot that that thing has a lot of consequences to your health. Are you getting what I'm saying? Now, when we talk about those women, you don't need to look at them. Maybe just because you want to drive happiness, that is why you're sitting in that garden. No, you don't need to do that. Because after eating the nkwobi, drink the 4 bottles of beer, those things will come to you it will come to you as a problem. One, you will not be able to satisfy. Maybe you go home now, after the enjoyment, you go home, your wife told you, say, baby, leave me alone, I'm tired. Meanwhile, you already satisfy yourself outside there, and your wife is dying inside her. And remember, when your wife is not happy, your family is not in order. Your home, you are scattering your home. Because your wife is the happiness that will make that home to continue being existent. Because when woman is not there, forget, happiness will never be there. That is why some children will not be so close to the father. And they will be thinking about their mother, because the mother is not happy. And if you are not careful, their children will grow with their mother. And when they grow, they will forget you as a man. So for your family to be happy, it depends on your wife. So what do you need to do for your wife to be happy? One, if you are coming back as a man, at least once in a while, try and get her some things that will make her happy. When you are about to sleep, buy her some yori clothes. You whatever when that again, only way that you like this, you now what yeah, even when they think, are you getting what I'm saying? So when you get all these small clothes there, you know, so that her bottles can come out. You know, when you are having sex with that, in fact, you'll be hearing different speaking in tongues. You'll be hearing, oh my God, Daddy, you are the best. Daddy, you are, oh, you'll be hearing. How will your wife look outside when you are making her happy? So you got to look for a way to make your family, especially your wife, happy. So that your family, you will not develop high blood pressure. Because if your wife is not happy, that is where high blood pressure starts arising. And as a man, if you discover that your wife is having that infection, you don't need to leave her. Because, or maybe you are the type of person that don't look outside, and your wife has infection, you refuse not to treat it. If you contact that infection, you know the women, our body is open, it's normal thing for us. Once we are menstruating, you can easily contact infection. And if she contacts infection and you go inside of her, have sex, that infection will enter inside of you. That is when you start developing different problems. And sometimes you want to have sex with your wife. She's discharging all this abnormal air. Her vagina is smelling. Before you know, your man will just fall out of it. Hearing now, what's Asia? Your man messing with your amen. So can you personally make it that you need to take her to the person that will take care of her? So that at least as a man, once you want to have sex, you're okay, and your wife is okay as well. Because, like I used to say, your happiness relies on your wife. Are you getting it? So, how do you make that sex more enjoyable? Maybe sometimes when you come back from work, at least, even though it's ice cream, some all these chewable stuff, get it for her. All these small handbag, you know, when she married, there was something that triggers you to marry her. So let that thing that triggers you to marry her, let that thing continue staying in that family. Like sometimes when you are dating her, you used to buy her some clothes that make her to shine. She'll be shaking everywhere for you, and you as a man, you're always happy with that. But once she comes inside your family as a husband and wife, those things that you used to do before, you stop doing it. You don't know you're causing more problems. That is why you see some women, they're not even longer think of how to make up and take care of their husband. Since they are already married, they're not even interested of taking care of the husband again the way you used to take care of before. Because of you are no longer getting those things you used to get for her when you were getting. When you're coming back, try and get her those things because it's very important so that your family will be happy. So that whenever she go outside, even though people are saying a whole lot of things against you, she can never believe them. She will only believe on what you said because of what that thing that you already put there that keep the family going. Now, as a man, when you work together, try making her happy. Even though you have a girl outside, don't think about that girl when you are with her. Let your wife be your priority. Are you getting what I'm saying? Now let's talk about what? The kind of, if you are having such problem as a man, maybe you cannot be able to perform. Maybe due to because of the kind of food you are eating or you are aging. That's not the end of it. Because majority of us used to think that once you finish giving birth, that's the end of sex. No. That's when sex becomes more enjoyable. Now, if you're having that particular problem called low libido or weak ejaculation or low performance, now we have a wonderful product for you, both you and your wife. Let's go to this page 59. There's something called here feminine herbal and masculine herbal. This is for women and men. This feminine herbal is all about women. The masculine herbal is all about men. As a woman, you are having issue in terms of sexual performance. You don't have that sexual urge. You cannot satisfy your husband, or once you get pregnant, you don't want your husband to touch you again. No. This feminine herbal will take care of it. Or you're having abnormal discharging, or you're having infertility, or you're having infection, or bowel this bad odor. This feminine herbal takes care of you as a woman. It's only a woman that takes this feminine herbal. Now, when we talk about masculine herbal, it's for man alone. Woman can't take masculine herbal. Masculine herbal is for man. Now, as a man, you're having issue, low libido, quick ejaculation, or low performance. Now, masculine herbal help you a lot. Well, let's talk about feminine herbal. This feminine herbal contains a lot of herbs, more than 10 herbs. Let me mention some of it that they use in producing it. Now, we have here William, red sage, St. John's wort, vites, lady mantle, Chinese angelica, skull cap, ginger, dandelion, then liquolic. Now all these herbs, that's what they use in producing this feminine herbal. Now as a woman, when you are using this feminine herbal, one, it reduces inflammation. When we talk about inflammation, there are some women that are having this environmental reaction. There are some places that you may go. Maybe your body do not like that environment. Before you know it, your body will start swallowing up. Or some of them will even start vomiting them. Or you are pregnant as a woman. Before you know it, your leg will start swallowing up. There's a solution for that. This feminine herb, as long as you're using it, it helps you a lot in terms of that inflammation. Now another one is what? Promote vitality. In terms of sex, if you take a person that they say that once your husband wants to have a sex with you, you say, oh honey, please leave me, I'm tired. No, you don't need to say that. Maybe because you don't have that libido. If you use this feminine herbal will help you a lot in terms of increasing your libido. Are you getting what I'm saying? Now another thing is what reduces excessive sweating. There's some women today saying that once their husband is having sex with them, before you know it, they're sweating like Christmas goats. Or you sit down, AC is blowing, fan is blowing, you're sweating. Why? That thing is disease. And it causes a lot of problems to your body. You cannot stay without AC. It's not normal. This feminine herbal helps you a lot in terms of those problems. Then another thing is what? Another thing is reduce menstrual cycle regulation. If a type of women today, a type of man that are having issue in terms of menstruation, maybe you're menstruating, you're having pains all over your body, you start rolling on the floor, neighbors will hear your voice. Now this feminine herbal helps a lot. Or you used to have your menstruation 2 times in a month, which is not normal. Are you getting what I'm saying? Your menstruation is supposed to come out this month. You are not seeing it, this is coming out next month. It's not normal. And if you are not taking care of those things, if you are not taking something that will stop that or resolve that problem, it may lead to another problem to your body. That is why feminine herbal is there for you. To take it, it helps you a lot. It takes care of every aspect of a woman. Now another thing is what? Relief mind depression. There are some people, they don't have they don't used to relax, as in they always feel tired, they always have depression. Anytime you talk, they're always angry. Any little thing gets them angry. They come back from work, you talk to them, hey, leave me alone, I'm tired, don't you know that I'm tired? And some of these things makes you not to have that urge in terms of sex when your husband touches you. Now, if you're having such problem, you cannot relax, you cannot even talk to anyone. Maybe someone talk to you, leave me alone, I'm tired. Now, this feminine habit takes care of that problem. Now, overcome heavy menstrual flow. There are some women, once they are menstruating, they see their menstruation more than 1 week. It's abnormal, it's not normal to your body. Your body is flowing anyhow, your blood is flowing anyhow. Before you know it, it gets weak. You want to bend down, before you know it, you feel as if you are falling down. This feminine habit helps you a lot as a woman. Don't overlook it. Take it. It's not drug. It's supplement. Supplement is something that your body needs, so that any part of your body that is that's not okay, it will help to correct it. If you are having such a problem as a woman, irregular menstruation, or your menstruation is flowing more than 1 week, which is not normal, take this feminine habit. It helps a lot. Then another thing is what? Relieve irritability and anxiety, like I said before, over angry, always angry, and so depression and so forth. Now another one is assist in excretion of excess fluid. Let's talk about this one first before we go there. Reduce nervous tension. This nervous tension, it matters a lot, because our nervous system matters a lot. When your body system is not the nervous system, and what let me just leave that one and talk about it before we go back to it. Your nervous system is very, very important for you to take care of it. Are you getting it? Relieve urine retention. Then another one, relax muscle sperm. There are some women, they release a lot of sperm. Your husband is having, before your husband even touch you, you already release the sperm. Before your body system is wet. Sometimes it's not normal. Sometimes it's caused by infection. So this feminine habit takes care of it a lot. Now, as a woman, it helps you a lot to promote your body system. Any part that is very weak, it reactivates it. This feminine habit you are seeing here is slow, but it's wonderful. This is one of the best products. You can't compare it with any product outside there. It helps you a lot as a woman. Now, when we talk about this issue of a woman in terms of sex, it's very important, because as a woman, if you satisfy your husband, he will dare not go outside there and have sex with other ladies, because there's a purpose that makes him to marry you. So your priority should be on your husband, how to put him in a good condition, how to make him happy, how to make him feel as a man. And if you are a wife, your husband, whenever you're having sex with you, if he's not satisfying you, you need to open up to him and tell him, honey, I am not enjoying you. That shows that you love your husband. Because if you are not enjoying your husband and you keep quiet, that means that you're cheating on him. Maybe you go outside there when he's not around and be having sex with other people, which is very wrong. Now, another thing, let's talk about men issue. As a man, you got to take care of your wife. Remember those promises you made to her when you were dating? Because there's something that you must tell a woman that ties her to love you. And let me tell you, women don't need much things. They just need what? Appreciation. If you really want to keep your wife happy, you got to appreciate her. Even though she's wrong, you need to approach her. Tell her, baby, look at this thing that you do here. I don't like it, or you don't do it very well. You don't need to take your wife problem to outside there. Now you got to make your wife happy, so that your family will be will be happy at all times. Now another thing is man. If you're a man, you're type of a man that normally goes out to sleep with other girls, because majority of men are nowadays, they only consider other girls out there. They even forget their wife. They will say, after all, my wife has given birth, I don't want to stress her. No, he's not stressed. You're not stressing her. You got to make her feel like a woman. Because anytime your wife touches you and you say, baby, leave me alone, in fact, you're killing her emotionally. You got to make your wife more happy at all times as a man. Or if you discover that you are having issue with low libido, weak ejaculation, low performance. Now, this product called Masculine Haba takes care of it. Masculine Haba is the best product. That is why it's called masculine. That masculine is all about man. It takes care of every aspect of man. As a man, maybe your Now, this masculine habit will help you a lot. As a man, you're having that particular problem. Just give yourself 2 months to 3 months. Use this product accordingly. Now, when you use it, as a man, it will put you in a normal position. So that whenever your wife touches you, imagine for instance, you're inside a room with your wife and she's touching you. Your man will refuse to stand up. You know that is a big problem to your body system. Now, when you're using this masculine habit puts you in a normal position as a man. So that whenever your wife feels to have sex with you, you are capable. You give her what she wants, and whenever she go outside there, she will always talk about you, that my husband is the best. Now, when we talk about masculine habit, not just for performance alone, then it has a lot of benefit to your health as a man. One, if you're having issue with infertility, it's very perfect for that. It will help you a lot. Or you're having issue in terms of low libido, maybe that vein that passes blood that make penis erect. Maybe that vein has a lot of bacteria that not allow the blood to flow. Now, this masculine habit will help it a lot in terms of cleaning those bacteria out of it. And as a man, you will last longer. Your wife will enjoy you. So that another thing is what? It has a lot of benefit to your body. You get some man, they always have what? Inflammation. You want to walk your legs, your joints, everywhere is you are feeling unnecessary pains in your body. Your body swallows up. In fact, you won't even understand your body. Now, this masculine habit takes care of it very well. Now, let's talk about what? It promotes your what? Prostate. When we talk about prostate, if you have prostate as a man, you cannot perform very well. You cannot satisfy your wife because the more the prostate gland enlarges, the more your penis gets small, and you will not satisfy your wife. You will not even be able to have the sex again. So if you are discovering such a problem to your body, or you are having before you used to last longer, now you cannot perform very well, try and start to solve that problem. Because anything that must occur in your body starts from your cells. Mind the kind of food you eat as a man. It's very important. Don't just say, after my friends are eating this, they're eating that. No. Don't do what others do, so that your family will be in order. Whenever your wife touches you, you are in order. Whenever your wife touches you, you'll be able to satisfy her. As a man, maybe your wife is kind of body that cannot enjoy that sexual performance. How do you start to make her feel you? Well, you got to